Leviticus chapter 11, and we're going to start at 13. These are the birds that we are not to eat. And these are they which ye shall have an abomination among the fowls. They shall not be eaten. They are an abomination: the eagle, and the ostrich, and the osprey, and the vulture, and the kite after his kind, every raven after his kind, and the owl, and the nighthawk, and the cuckoo, and the hawk after his kind, the cormorant, and the swan, and the pelican, and the stork, and the heron after their kind, and the lapwing, and the bat.